Here's a step-by-step guide to configuring enrollment notifications in Microsoft Intune. Step-by-step instructions for configuring enrollment notifications in Microsoft Intune. Step 1. Access the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. 1. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, https://endpointmicrosoft.com/. 2. Sign in with your administrator credentials to access the admin dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Devices and Enrollment Settings. 1. In the left-hand menu, click on Devices. 2. Under Devices, select Enrollment to access the Enrollment Settings page. 3. Choose the tab for the platform you wish to configure, e.g. iOS, Android, Windows. Note that you will need to create separate notification policies for each platform. Step 3. Start creating a new enrollment notification. 1. On the platform-specific enrollment settings page, locate the Enrollment Notifications section. 2. Click on plus Create Notification to begin the process of creating a new notification policy. Step 4. Provide notification details. 1. Notification policy. This should be descriptive to help you easily identify it later, e.g. iOS device enrollment notification. 2. Write a description to explain the purpose or target audience of this notification policy. 3. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Step 5. Configure notification settings. 1. On the notification settings screen, select the type of notification you want to send. Push notification. Enter a title and text for the push notification. This message will appear on users' devices during enrollment. Email notification. Set the subject and message of the email. If you want to use HTML formatting, enable the raw HTML editor. Optionally, add a header image using the image set in your tenant's branding settings. Include additional information such as company name, contact information, and a link to the company portal where users can view their enrolled devices. You can also choose to add device details in the email footer, which helps users identify their enrolled devices and provides useful information if they need support. 2. After configuring the desired notification type, click Next. Step 6. Optional delegate access with scope tags. 1. If you want to delegate access to manage these notifications to specific administrators or groups, add a scope tag. This allows targeted management and administration within Intune. 2. If delegation is not needed, skip this step by clicking Next. Step 7. Assign the notification policy to users. 1. Since the policy applies at the user level, select a user-based group for assignment. You can choose specific user groups or deploy the policy to all users. 2. Click Next to proceed to the review stage. Step 8. Review and create the notification policy. 1. Review all the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Double-check the notification details, assignment settings, and any scope tags. 2. If all the information is correct, click Create to finalize and deploy the notification policy. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can successfully configure enrollment notifications in Microsoft Intune for different platforms, ensuring that users are informed and guided through the device enrollment process. This enhances user experience and compliance with your organization's IT policies.